Step again.
Steps again.
Waiting here, yeah?
Oh, you can't wait here. Come on, you like this. This is your holiday.
Okay.
All right, you wait here if you want to wait here, but you can come down.
Sorry?
If you want to wait here, you can wait here, but
Yeah. Maybe I can.
okay. Okay.
Because I've been good.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so Komang is not coming down these steps with us because he said he's been here before. So we're going down these steps because we're heading down, but at least there's a handrail. That's a good thing. We're heading down to one of the many waterfalls that are to be found here. Oh, let's be careful. There's a break in the handrail. And at least it's fairly good sized steps and they're dry. I can hear the waterfall, just can't see it yet. Oh, I see river. Rapids, rushing waters. Oh, I see a lot of tourists too. Apparently there's like some sort of a club over here. And they got their music going, which takes away a little bit. But still. Oh my. No thanks. There's another swing opportunity right there. Oh, it's called the River Club something, but actually that down there is where I think we're eventually headed to. I don't think we're going to do that. We might just go over to that place right there and get a picture of the waterfall coming down. But again, without trying to sound redundant, another amazing place to visit. We got rushing waters, waterfalls, lush jungle greenery.